Hi and welcome. I am here today with OPPO Find X2 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. So first off, we have to go to Photos and find a photo that we would like to set as our lock screen wallpaper. For example, let's go with this fox. Now tap on More, choose Set as Wallpaper. Now let's choose the portion of the picture that satisfies us. Tap on Apply and choose Lock Screen. Okay, now if we lock our phone, as you can see, I can't remove these notifications, but as you can see, the lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.